So who are we? Who is Global Leak Solutions? Well, we are a leak detection, coaching, training, sales, equipment manufacturing company. Now, me personally, I'm a licensed plumber with over 20 years of experience in the industry, and that includes having successful plumbing and leak detection businesses. I've now moved on from that career and moved into more innovating and training in the leak detection space to make processes much easier for new learners to learn quickly, turning their investment into a profit fast. Now, just to go through each individual process of what we provide, starting with our training, we provide elite hybrid training. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means that we do our training sessions in 2 separate days. The first one is a theory lesson that's done online on a live video feed on Zoom with me personally. A few days after the theory lesson, there's then an on-site training, the practical, which is a follow-up to put all the processes that we've learnt in the theory into real practice on real-life leaks. Well, what exactly do we do, or do you do, if you can't make it to Australia? Well, we train companies all over the globe. For example, we train companies in the UK or in America, in New Zealand, or even if you're in a remote area of Australia, we provide that practical training via an online feed if you're not able to make it in person. If you want to see a snippet or a demonstration of how that works, please visit our website at globalleaksolutions.com.au, and there on the top page, or the main screen, or the main page rather, you'll see a video demonstration of how that online practical training works. Please also remember that we provide 12 months of ongoing coaching for any trainees who do our course. So if you're on a job site anywhere around the world and you have questions, you can simply text, contact, or upload a video of something that's happening wherever you are around the world, and we're able to then provide you with targeted coaching to help you through that specific situation. The other thing to remember is we don't just sell our own in-house products. We collaborate with one of the world's best leak detection equipment manufacturers, that being the German company Severn. Now, Severn have been in the industry creating world-leading products since the 1930s. So we could say that Severn are the OGs in the leak detection equipment industry. And their systems, without a doubt, provide very simplified approaches while packing in a lot of amazing technology in the background of their operating system that makes locating water leaks as easy as possible. Now, what about our manufacturing? Well, our products are designed to ultimately make leak detection processes easier, which means if you're somebody that has not yet done leak detection before, our system will allow you to learn leak detection using uniform processes to locate leaks much faster, and also to learn the process very quickly. And if you're an expert in the industry, the old methodologies of leak detection are very successful and they work well, but we can assure you that our new systems absolutely make processes so much quicker. In fact, many leaks that would take an hour or 2 hours to locate can be done in as small as 5 to 10 minutes with our system. So certainly saving time and money along the way. Our products save a tremendous amount of time and money in a few different ways. So starting with tracer gas, if you're somebody that does predominantly tracer gas, this system is able to blend compressed air and tracer gas together, meaning that you only have to use a very small amount of tracer gas on each job. Now, what that means is you're not replacing that bottle anywhere near as often and doing trips back to your local gas supply shop, and that's also going to put much more money in your pocket per bottle. Our systems are designed to locate the pipe and the water leak. If you are on a job to locate a water leak, then this system will only tell you exactly where the pipe is between your air injection point and the leak itself. And that is the only place where you need to know where the pipe is. In a leak detection process, you don't need to know where the pipe is outside of that whatsoever. Now, this cuts time down dramatically. Now, really, that just leaves one question open for all of you. What do you think is the very first step to take before commencing setting up your vehicle and company with leak detection equipment? Watch our next video and we'll tell you exactly what the most important first step is to take. Until then, you guys have a lovely day. See you soon.